Hi everyone, this is Rick, and this is my breakfast this morning. It's kind of an easier version of Jane Esselstyn's channel, Easy Cheesy Kale Mcmuffin. We've got a Mcmuffin here, egg, what do we call them? English muffin. And then there's red pepper hummus, roasted red pepper hummus. And then there's kale. And we sprinkled nutritional yeast. And did we put lemon juice on the kale?
Yes.
And then there's onion, tomato, and we put that in the microwave. And then we put broccoli sprouts, raw broccoli sprouts on top. So Jane Esselstyn, they do a lot of cooking with the hummus, with lemon juice and nutritional yeast, and we kind of did it raw, no cooking, just to make it easier. And I haven't tried it yet, but that's what we're going to have right there. I've got Jane Esselstyn channel on, the Ultimate Lemon and Kale Open Face Sandwich. It's a different thing, but I like her channel, and so I'm wanting something healthy for breakfast. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.